What if shoppers who enter a store always leave as satisfied customers because they always find what they are looking for? In reality, however, it occurs that shoppers are leaving empty-handed because the merchandise they aim to find has gone missing. We want to solve the problem retailers have, where items get lost and cannot be sold. That's why we challenged a team of the brightest engineers and retail minds to redefine electronic article surveillance. The team started with a new approach, making EAS part of the global trend where all devices are interconnected and reinforcing each other. Now your staff will no longer be working next to your security systems, but with them. Also, they wanted EAS to be 100% RFID ready. So whenever a retailer wants to start using RFID to prevent losses and optimize stock levels, they can upgrade seamlessly. The solution this team created is more than electronic article surveillance. It is the next generation, intelligent article surveillance. We call it iSense. The iSense antennas can process RF, RFID, booster bag, and visitor counting information. They are networked to each other, connected to the internet, and to in-store systems like CCTV or your enterprise security platform. Would you settle for less? Now imagine your EAS systems are 100% always at work and automatically get updated to the most effective firmware and give you access to information as never before. All relevant events are highlighted to your store manager in a local loss prevention dashboard, making him in control of what's going on. In real time, the events are also sent to your private cloud for monitoring and benchmarking at headquarter level. We highlight the interesting bits to help you see the patterns, and we also suggest the way to address issues. The actual data coming directly from your stores enables you to identify your best store and your weak spots, and raise the profit levels in all stores. Always-on article surveillance, 100% RFID ready, real-time loss prevention reporting, intelligent article surveillance. If you think about it, it makes sense. iSense from NEDAP Retail.